Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to calculate the age by considering the difference between birth date and target date. In sheet 2 I have some data. Column A consists of birth date and column B consists of target date. So I am going to display the output in columns C, D and E. Column C consists of completed years, column D consists of months and column E denotes days. First I am executing the program. Click on calculate age. Here application displayed the output in terms of years, months and days. Let us cross check the program. Click on Visual Basic. This is the complete code. First I clear the existing data in the columns of C, D, E. I have data up to 13th row, hence I mentioned E13. Next I am instructing the application to wait for 1 second. Next I declared a variable to define the row numbers, dim r as integer. Thereafter I am using for loop for r equivalent to 2 to 13. Min value of the loop is 2 as data started from second row. Next I declare some variables here. By denotes birth year, bm denotes birth month, bd denotes birth date. To retrieve the by I used year function. To retrieve birth month I used month function. To retrieve the day I used day function. For all these three functions I used the data which exists in first column. Thereafter I declared another three variables cy, cm, cd. Cy denotes current year, cm denotes current month, cd denotes current date. I used same functions to retrieve year, month, day. Next I am finding the days difference. For this purpose here I am using three if conditions in three different scenarios. First case is if current date is greater than birth date. Second case is if current date equivalent to birth date. Third case is current date is less than birth date. First I am providing the difference. In second situation I am providing the 0. In third case I am using date difference. Finding the difference in terms of days. Here I use the date serial function. Here I am providing date difference after deducting 1 month from the current month number. Coming to days I used birth date as it is. As I moved to previous month I deducted 1 month from the current month. So I mentioned cm equivalent to cm minus 1. Next I am finding the months difference. So if current month is greater than birth month, then I am considering the difference. If these two are equal, here I am providing 0. If current month is less than birth month, again I am using date difference function. I am retrieving the output in terms of months. Here I am using date serial function and reducing current year number by 1. And I am using other parameters as it is. Finally, I am finding the year difference. Here I am applying no logics. Year equivalent to current year minus birth year. In third column, I am placing years. In fourth column, I am placing months. In fifth column, I am placing days. This is about confirmation message. Now let us see how to retrieve the same output by using custom formula. For this purpose I defined a function here. Here we can find function name is age. This function consists of two functional arguments. First one is birth date and second one is target date. Coming to programming procedure, there is no change. Let us execute the formula. In the birth date, I am selecting A2. Coming to target date, I am selecting B2. Click on OK. Double click on the handle. Now application copied the output in all the cells. Now I am going to create an add-in. Click on Save As. Click on Browse. Select the Excel add-in option. I am saving this add-in workbook in a folder which is created on my desktop. Click on Save. I am closing this macro enabled workbook. Here I created a new workbook. Now let us see how to import the add-in into this workbook. Click on Excel add-ins. Click on Browse. So I am going to select that add-in workbook which is saved on my desktop. After selecting the workbook, click on OK. Click on Yes to replace the existing one. Click on OK. After importing the add-in, let us retrieve the output. Double click on the handle. Right now application retrieved the output. Hope this template is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.